RIME stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Algorhythm Holdings stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. 56% up and it's 22 cents. Definitely a big hit. Like that's how my chart looked like. In context, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars in course mentorships, documented everything. But like in general, the price kind of kept going down here, and now it's inside this supply. Like I was open to this short idea, but like again, like I said, I had this waiting sign for a reason here. It was only going to be short if I saw this double break, and that's why it's in red, but I just never did saw it. So it was a wrong anticipated movement. And honestly speaking here, like if I see like a second break beneath these lows, it's a thing that it needs to do a double break. Double breaks mandatory. And if it does a double break, then and only then I'm taking shorts. Other than that, I'll definitely keep you updated. But that's how RIME looks like for me. Put like a little confirmation part here. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.